I love Balochistan. I'm the tourist to spend the longest. I've now spent 60 days in Balochistan, and I fell in love with it, and so I moved here to help with tourism. I feel very safe here. I feel a connection. It looks very much like California to me. It's a beautiful culture, and I want the world to see Balochistan the way I see Balochistan. Safe and peaceful and full of beautiful, welcoming people. You definitely want to research because there are so many beautiful places that are not known to foreigners. Everyone goes to Gwadar, everyone goes to Kund Malir, but there are so many beautiful places all around Balochistan that should be visited. So for me, I really care about the empowerment of women, and I believe that the youth, if they feel empowered, will grow to be more of a supportive force for the government. So I think events like this are very important because it shows the country that Balochistan is growing, that women are growing, and that it's going to be something to be competing with the other states.